Canva is listening, and Canva has recently added two amazing features to make the design process more enjoyable. And as for the first feature, here Canva has solved one of the most frequent complaints people are facing on Canva. That is layering issue. And to be more clear in that, when you make a design or a post or a YouTube thumbnail on Canva, sometimes you need to change the position or edit a specific element. And unfortunately, you can't do that simply on Canva because this element is associated and overlapping with other some elements. So if you want to select this object, you have to move other elements away. And of course, an annoying process and takes a lot of time. Therefore, Canva gave us a solution and an amazing feature to overcome this problem we are encountering. So let's see that. Here, for example, in this post, normally when you want to edit or move any specific element in this post, you have to move other elements around this object because they are overlapping with each others. So what's new in Canva regarding this problem? Here, if you want to select this post entirely, here you can find here an option position. Click over that. And here you can find all layers in your post. As you see, all texts, all graphics, all vectors, all arrows, and so on. So if you want to select one of these beautiful elements and edit individually, so you can select this one, for example, as you see, and here you can move this element individually as you see without overlapping with other elements. So you can select this one, for example, this text, to move it freely as you see, and so on and so forth. Not only that, you can change the position of any element just from this layer. So for example, just you can click over this three dots, and here you can copy style, paste, duplicate, arrange, and so on and so forth as you see. So it's an amazing feature on canva.com to overcome this problem people are facing when you make a design, a post, or a YouTube thumbnail, and so on. And the next feature is about new effect regarding texts. That is, so we can make a new page here and add a text like this one. And when you select your text, you can go up here to effects, and then you can find a new feature added to this library, which is outline. Here you can add an outline to your text, as you see, to make an aesthetic and elegant appearance to your text. So here you can change its color, so you can make it yellow, for example, and of course you can control over thickness. You can make it wider or thin as you want, as you see. Perfect. So now you knew two amazing features and two amazing updates on Canva.com to make your design process more enjoyable and easier. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.